guys, I hope you are well and welcome back, and hello if you are new. My name is Ellis and today I am sharing with you another Temu haul. You guys went crazy over the last Temu haul that I shared. You absolutely loved it, so I thought I would bring you another one. I have picked up some amazing pieces from Temu for in the home, for home decor, for the kids, for me. Like, I can't actually believe what I've picked up and how affordable everything is. So for any of you guys that have been living under a rock, you didn't see my previous video, or you're new to this channel and this content, Temu are an online retailer. They ship worldwide in so many different countries, and they sell in a variety of different categories, from household to children, toys, clothing, and so much more. Now, the great thing about them is they offer all of these products at very affordable prices, and having shopped from Temu previously and shopped again, I can say that their quality of the products are really, really great as well. Now, Temu also offer free shipping, free returns, and they currently have a 90% off sale on their website. So that is actually insane. But on top of all of this, they've actually given me an exclusive discount code to give to you guys, where you can get yourself a further 50% off by downloading the app from the description box below and purchasing via my link, which is insane. So on top of the 90% off, on top of the already affordable prices, you're gonna get a further 50% off as well. So do head down, because if you like any of the products, I will leave everything linked below for you so you can go on over and check it out. But for the time being, I'm gonna jump straight into today's video and start showing you exactly what I've picked up, because there are some gems. Okay, to start off with, I'm going to show you one of my favourite products, which I have picked up from Temu. I am obsessed with it. I am in love with it. It is huge. I don't know how I'm going to get it on camera, but we have this. This is one of those knitted poofs. Oh my God, it is so good. I was really worried when I ordered online, because it was so affordable, it was so cheap. I was really, really worried that the quality was going to be really bad, or it was going to arrive. You know, like sometimes if you ever done like an order for something and it arrives and it's like a miniature version, I was really worried I was going to get something like that, but I didn't. I ordered this, it was super affordable, and it is exactly what I wanted. It is a great size. I think this is going to look either great in my living room, in my bedroom, in Parker's room. We've recently done a redecorate of his room, which I'll be sharing with you, or I may have already shared. But yeah, I am obsessed with this. It is so nice. It doesn't have no funny smell. It's a really, really good, sturdy quality. All round, I'm completely chuffed with this. So moving on from that product, I also picked up this. This is for the baby's room. And again, I was really, really worried how this was going to come out. I was a bit worried that ordering some sort of rattany, wickery type thing from Temu, the quality might not be that great. But again, it is amazing quality. It's so sturdy. It's this gorgeous lampshade to go in his room. His room is going to be a similar sort of theme to what we've had previously with like the safari theme. And I just think this is going to go so well with all the natural wood colours. Again, super affordable. Like, I can't believe it. Okay, so next up, I purchased one of these. Oh my God, I'm so in love with them. Look how good this looks on camera. Oh, it's giving me all of the autumn vibes. But I picked up one of these. Now, these are the Stanley dupes. Now, I did share this with you in my previous video that I picked up one of these for both me and my husband. My husband's is actually over there. You can see that on the dresser. But here is my one in purple. And I've actually picked up another one of these. This one I think we're both going to share. It's in black. He really wanted to start bringing one to work with him, so he's going to bring that one to work. And then this one's going to be indoors for both of us to share. But we use them every day. They are, I want to say 40 ounces, I think, of water, which is 1.4 litres for anybody that uses litres like me. But yeah, they hold 1.4 litres, and it's a really great way for you to get your water intake in the day. So I really wanted some more of these, so I have more of them lying around. I'm already halfway through, and I think it's about 11 o'clock now. I'm already about halfway through that one for the day. But I want to show you, they came with a straw. There's different ways you can use them. So you can use them with the straw, or you can use them with like a sippy hole as well. However, this time round, I've bought myself a little accessory to go with it. So I saw these and I thought, I wonder if they're any good. Now, the one downside that I found with these Stanley dupes is essentially the fact that if they topple over, they leak. They are not spill proof. So I found these bad boys. So they are spill stoppers, and they have caps for going over your straw. So you can put a cap over your straw, and you can also have the caps that go inside the bit where it spills out of, if that makes any sense. So these are the bits that go on your straw, and then these are like the little stoppers that go in the lid to stop it from spilling out. And these ones actually came in a few different colours, which I love. They're in really, really sweet pastel colours. So there was 4 in there, but they're dishwasher safe, reusable, BPA free, all of that stuff. So yeah, I am really, really excited to try these out and see if they work, because they might just make my favourite cup even more amazing. Okay, now next up I wanted to show you these, and I am totally obsessed with them. They are these 3 amber glass, I say amber glass, they're actually plastic, but these 3 amber glass soap dispenser pumpy things. Now you would have seen in my last haul that I did with Temu that I actually picked these up, but in the form of bathroom ones for my shampoo, conditioner and body wash. However, I picked up these ones because I have a glass one around the sink, and I actually wanted 2 to go by my kitchen sink, one for dish soap and one for hand wash. And at the moment I only have 1. And also my kids and me, I am also guilty, have been breaking a lot of them. So I actually need a new one for my bathroom and my kids' bathroom. Or is it the downstairs loo? I can't remember. Either way, I'm short on one. So I figured that I could move them around and I would have extras, because I need to replace them. And I love these, but what makes these even better than what you were just seeing is the fact that it comes with these. So it comes with these, they're little signs that say dishwash, hand wash and hand lotion. They are going to look amazing on the bottles. I'm going to pop them on once I'm finished, but that just kind of around the bottle is going to make it look so nice, and I'm really excited to put these out by my kitchen sink. I know they're going to look lovely, they're going to look really, really classy, and they're plastic, which means if they fall, they're not going to break my sink, because I have a butler's sink, which I always worry about, and also the kids aren't going to break them either. So I actually did all of this stuff quite a while ago, but I've been waiting to share it with you all. But next up, I ordered this, and you may or may not have seen these sweeping around Instagram and TikTok, but it is this clear acrylic chopping board. Now I absolutely love this. It comes with this little edge stopper here, which essentially means that when you pop it on your kitchen side, it stays in place. It also has these grips here as well, so you know that you're okay, but it's scratch resistant, and it essentially will blend in with your kitchen side, so there's nothing ugly sitting on there, and you kind of leave it out, so you've always got a surface to chop something on without needing to grab a chopping board out. Again, super affordable, super classy. I'm obsessed. I think you need one in your life. Now, next up, this is very random, but we have this. It is a iPad pen, essentially. Stylus pen with a case. Now, I absolutely love this. I've wanted one of these for ages, because I have been doing a lot more planning recently, both physically and online. And I really wanted to be able to do some more digital planning, but I needed a pen to be able to do it with. So this is the case that it comes in. I think it's really, really lovely. And as you can see, not only does it come with like the pen, it also comes with all of these different nibs here as well. So it doesn't really matter how thick you want it or whatever else, you kind of got something that's gonna work and has you covered. And again, the price on this in comparison to what you would pay for an authentic Apple version or something like that is insane, and it does the same job. And I know I'm somebody that would probably be guilty of losing a pen like this, so I'm really, really chuffed with this. Okay, I'm going to start wrapping up the few final bits that I have, and it is some more room decor pieces. Now next up, I got this, and I'm not going to open it because it needs to be put up by my husband, but I'm going to show you a little sample of the wood there. But it is a shelf, and I'm going to insert a picture just here so you can see exactly what it should look like. But I got this for such an affordable price. I have been looking everywhere for something like this, and they're really, really, really expensive. And I really wanted something that my son could put up all of his football trophies and stuff like that in his bedroom, so he could see them out on display, because at the moment they're just kind of cluttering his windowsill. And I'm really excited to get this up in his room. It really goes in well with the design and theme of his room. I'm really kind of mixing all of these wooden tones in there, which I think looks really, really lovely. And I'm so excited to get this up for him, and I know he's going to love displaying all of his trophies. So yeah. The one thing that I do find with Temu is they have so many pieces that you could get in other places but at a fraction of a cost, and it's one of the reasons that I love them, because you're not scrimping on the quality of these items either. Now I'm moving on to some room decor pieces for Parker's bedroom. We have recently been doing it up. I'm obsessed with the theme, and you might get a hint of what that theme is from these items. And again, I'm not sure if I've shared this video with you guys or not, but The first thing that I picked up was this. I absolutely love it. Clayton had one very, very similar in a football style that we picked up off of Amazon. But this one was a fraction of the price on Temu. It does exactly the same thing. I think you're just literally cutting out the middleman by shopping via Temu. So you can literally turn it on, and it's really hard to see, but I don't know if you can see how it's changing colour. And it has all different colours on it, as you can see there. Now it's actually changing colour. And this is a great little nightlight for him. It's rechargeable, it can be plugged in for use, or it can run off of batteries as well. And he absolutely loves it. It's in the theme of his room, so he's so happy to have one similar to his brother. And then carrying on with the shark theme, we also picked up this. This was really sweet. This was so cheap. It was just a little decorative piece, but it is this really, I want to say cute. I mean, he's not cute, is he? He's a shark. I don't find sharks cute, but it is this very cute looking shark, which is currently on display in his bedroom, which he absolutely loves. Boys will be boys. Mum of 3 boys here. Comment below if you're also a boy mum. But yeah, he loves it, so who am I to complain? And then last but not least for this video, I'm also sharing this with you, which I absolutely love. Now I will say that I kind of mucked up because I thought there was 2 in the pack and there's only 1, so I do need to do another order. But the quality on this is so amazing. It's this little paddle oar. I love the detailing it's got around here. It's very rustic, very sweet. Parker's room is having hints of blue in it and things like that. And I love this. This is to go on display in his bedroom, which I really, really love. So yeah. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed seeing everything that I picked up from Temu. I got some absolute bargain items at a steal of a price. Like I did say previously, I have been given an exclusive discount code for you to get a further 50% off, and I will leave everything linked in the description box below so you can go and find everything I've purchased and the special unique code as well. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up so I know I can keep creating content that you enjoy. And I will see you all in another video again very, very soon. Bye guys.